Hello, my name's Paul Rimmer. I was at Keele from 1978 to 1982. I actually came here through clearing to study French and history, but when I arrived, found out about other opportunities, including international relations. So I switched course to study international relations, and it suited me to a T. It just turned out that that was the thing that I was interested in. I had a great time here. The course was fantastic. Dr. Lorna Lloyds asked me to mention how brilliant she was, and it's great to still be in touch with her and have the opportunity to come back to Keele today and talk to students about how I've used my degree, because in my career I joined the Ministry of Defence. I've spent most of my career doing intelligence analysis, but I've also done policy jobs. I've worked in private office. I've been involved in briefing the Cabinet. I've sat at the National Security Council, and I've travelled around the world. And throughout that career, I've drawn on things I learned at Keele. Indeed, recently we were doing some work on deterrence, and I dug out my own dissertation and even quoted myself, which I thought was a bit cheeky. But nevertheless, it just shows that some of this stuff does stick with you throughout your career. I also had fun as well. I loved living on campus, exploring the grounds, running around, enjoying all the bands and all the social life that was available as well. It was great. I look back on Keele with great fondness, and it's super being back here today.